How to kill fleas naturally. Imagine this. You're enjoying a peaceful afternoon at home, sipping your favorite tea, your furry friend curled up beside you, when suddenly, you notice it, the scratching, the biting, the restless pacing. Your beloved pet is under attack by fleas. These tiny, blood-sucking pests may be small, but their impact on your home and your pet's comfort can be huge. Sure, there are plenty of chemical sprays and treatments out there, but at what cost? Many of these products contain harsh toxins that aren't just bad for fleas, they could be harmful to your pets, your family, and the environment. But what if I told you, there's a safer, healthier, and just as effective way to get rid of fleas, naturally? Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide to show you how to eliminate fleas from your pets, your home, and even your yard, without a single drop of harsh chemicals. We'll uncover powerful home remedies, preventative tips, and natural flea treatments that are safe for everyone, even the tiniest members of your family. So, if you're ready to reclaim your home and give your furry friend the itch-free life they deserve, stick around. Let's get started. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to treating your pet, cleaning and treating the house, and making sure the fleas stay away. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Treating your pet. Number 1. Give your pet a natural flea bath. The first step to treating your flea-infested pet is to give it a bath. You can take your pet to the vet to get a chemical bath, but if you'd prefer to address the problem with a natural approach, try the following flea bath solutions. Make a rosemary dip. Cover 2½ cups of fresh rosemary sprigs with water and boil for half an hour. Add the rosemary water to a gallon of warm water. While the water is still warm, pour it over your pet. Use soapy water. It may also be effective to use a solution of water mixed with a gentle foaming soap. Bathe your cat or dog carefully using warm water. Number 2. Use a flea comb after the bath. The dip solutions will have killed some of the fleas, but you still need to remove the eggs. Purchase a flea comb from your pet store and use it to carefully comb your pet's fur to remove all traces of fleas. Number 3. Treat your pet with a natural flea repellent. Fleas are repelled by a few natural scents and oils that you can apply directly to your dog. Cats, on the other hand, can be harmed by certain oils, so avoid treating your cat unless a certain substance has been recommended by the vet. Here are a few options for treating your pet. Lavender essential oil. Rub some on your dog's neck and back. This is said to both kill and repel fleas. Eucalyptus oil. Make a spray by mixing 1 cup of water and 5 drops of oil, then spray your dog thoroughly to repel fleas. Do not use this treatment on cats. Number 4. Repeat until the fleas are gone. In all likelihood, you'll have to dip, comb, and treat your pet several times before the battle is over. Keep an eye on your pet for signs of more fleas, and plan to dip your dog or cat once every week or so to kill the fleas that hatch over time. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning and treating the house. Number 1. Wash your pet's bedding in hot water. As soon as you realize your house has fleas, immediately wash your pet's bedding in very hot water to kill all of the fleas and their eggs. Wash other items your pet has touched, such as cloth toys, pillows, and so on. Number 2. Wash your sheets and other linens. It's likely that the fleas have spread beyond your pet's domain, so go ahead and wash everything else, too. You may need to wash your clothes, your bedding, if your pet sleeps with you, your couch cushions, and anything else where fleas could live. Number 3. Vacuum the carpet and upholstered furniture. Using a heavy-duty vacuum, vacuum your carpet thoroughly. Take your time, and go over the entire area more than once. You can also vacuum your sofa, upholstered chairs, and rugs. Use the hose attachment to vacuum the cracks in your baseboards, too. Vacuuming has been proven to kill fleas. It sucks up adult fleas as well as their eggs. After you vacuum, empty the vacuum bag. Otherwise, the fleas will hatch from their eggs and climb out of the vacuum to reinfest your home. Number 4. Treat your carpet with baking soda. Cover the entire carpet with a layer of baking soda. Go ahead and use up several boxes. Let the baking soda sit on the carpet for at least 4 hours or overnight, then vacuum it up. The baking soda dries out the eggs in the carpet, helping to kill the next round of fleas before they hatch. You can use borax instead of baking soda to treat your carpets. Be sure to vacuum it thoroughly after the treatment. Salt is another cheap and effective flea killer. Use it the same way you'd use baking soda. Number 5. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth around your rooms. This completely natural powder kills adult fleas and other insects by piercing their exoskeletons when they walk over it. Wear a mask as you sprinkle it in areas where you have seen adult fleas. Leave it for 24 hours, then vacuum it up. Number 6. Use a dehumidifier. If your home is on the humid side, you're providing the perfect climate for fleas. You can make your house less hospitable by using a dehumidifier to make the air drier. You could also turn on the AC, your fans, or a heater, depending on the season. Number 7. Keep your lawn short. If you have fleas in your house, they're probably in your yard, too. They thrive in tall grass, which shades them from the hot sun and keeps their environment moist. Exposing them to the sun is the best way to kill them. Mow your lawn frequently so that the grass won't get tall enough to shelter the fleas. Number 8. Use borax. Sprinkle it in areas where you have seen adult fleas just as you would any carpet deodorizer. Leave it for 24 hours, then vacuum it up thoroughly. This method will kill a full-blown infestation in just days. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Making sure the fleas stay away. Number 1. Give your pets apple cider vinegar. Put a teaspoon of ACV in your pet's water dish. The vinegar is a natural flea repellent, and will help keep fleas at bay once the infestation is over. This is a safe treatment for both dogs and cats. Number 2. Place cedar chips around your house. The smell of cedar is another natural flea repellent. Placing some cedar chips near your pet's bedding, outside in your flower bed, or in other strategic areas can help keep fleas away. Number 3. Spray your house with eucalyptus oil. If you have a cat, don't use this trick, since cats are sensitive to eucalyptus. Otherwise, spray your home's nooks and crannies, the carpet, your drawers, and your dog's bedding with a mix of eucalyptus oil and water to keep fleas out. Number 4. Vacuum often. Your pet will probably bring in a flea or two from time to time, but it doesn't have to become a full-blown infestation. Vacuuming regularly will kill fleas before they have the chance to reproduce. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Warnings. 1. Exercise caution when trying homemade flea remedies, especially when applying them directly to your pets. Many commonly suggested remedies often contain toxic ingredients, like lemon. Always verify that each ingredient in the remedy is pet-safe before use. 2. Avoid placing flea collar in a vacuum cleaner, as commonly advised. The flea collar can create toxic fumes inside the vacuum bag. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce flea infestation. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy, see you in the next video.